put our money where our mouth is, so to speak.
Attorney General Leevin Camacho announces that the opioid settlement of nearly $280,000 will support drug rehabilitation efforts and data collection.
We've been talking with the folks who are on the ground on behavioral. We've talked to Oasis, we've talked to Lighthouse Recovery to see where there are gaps. And right now, the intention is we are going to assist in the recruiting and hiring of 2 staff to support the residential substance abuse treatment program at the Department of Corrections. We're going to work on a preventative educational campaign on drug abuse, substance abuse, and opioids. We're going to put $60,000 into gathering data on how extensive the opioid problem is on Guam and on drugs as a whole.
Earlier this year, the Office of the Attorney General secured the large sum in part of a settlement with McKinsey & Company, one of the world's largest consulting firms who worked for Purdue Pharma and other opioid companies. The firm was found to have contributed to the opioid epidemic by promoting deceptive marketing schemes and the use of highly addictive opioids. Now, several states and territories are sharing in a $573 million settlement to be paid by McKinsey & Company. The OAG plans to break down the first installment as follows: $115,000 for additional staff for the residential substance abuse treatment program at the Department of Corrections, $16,000 to assist direct service providers and programs, $60,000 for toxicology testing to gather more data on the prevalence of opioids and other illicit drugs, and $40,000 to develop an educational outreach and prevention campaign.
This is hopefully the first settlement we're going to get, and then to start mapping out any future funds that we do receive through settlement or litigation, the best and evidence-based programs that we can support from as an office.
Camacho adds that the OAG is actively involved in other opioid-related lawsuits. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Adriana Cotero.